Started happening one day, one afternoon at work. My face pulled to the side, and the doctor thought it was an atypical migraine.
Right.
And then 6 months later, it happened again, and then it got more and more frequent, and then the full-blown effect happened in 1 week's time.
Really?
Yeah. In 1 week, I couldn't even sign my name, and
really?
That was 17 years ago.
So tell me about the CBD oil. When did you try it? How long did it take?
Okay, chiropractor I was going to help with the pain.
Right.
She suggested I try it, and I tried it for, I think I used one whole bottle of it, and I could tell a little bit difference in the pain. Because I have arthritis too. I have degenerative arthritis of the spine.
Right.
And I could tell a little bit of difference, and she suggested I go up to the next higher dose.
Right.
So I said, okay, I'll try. And I dreaded it because it's a little bit more expensive, and when you're on disability, you know.
It's very limited.
Yeah.
And it's a set amount each month.
Yeah. And in 3 weeks of taking that dosage, I had no movement. None.
Wow. In 3 weeks. Took it every day.
3 weeks. Took it every day. Well, I took it twice a day then. No movement. I was normal. And what was interesting to walk into the grocery store and I was invisible. Nobody stared at me anymore.
Right. Something we don't realize not having dystonia.
Yeah, people looking, you know, and, well, they're curious, and that's okay. And in 17 years, I just, you know, no big deal. You know, it gave me the opportunity to share how good God is, so that was okay. That was okay.
But now you found relief for that.
Yeah, and God is good. He did put that on the earth to help.
Absolutely. I think everybody's very amazed at the improvement they've seen when you started taking it.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I've had so many people come to me and just start crying because they love you so much. Yeah. They start crying and they tell me about how amazed that they are at the relief that you found. So, how long has it been since you started back taking
when we left that night, after I took a double dose that night because I was miserable again.
So it's been 1 week.
Yeah, it's been 1 week
since you started taking it back again. Okay.
Oh yeah.
And you're doing a lot better.
Oh yeah, it's you know, and I keep thinking about the difference in seeing a before and after, and how important that is. So people will know, because you can't see a before and after an insomnia or arthritis or neuropathy or any of that other stuff. And for me to be off all medicine except for that.
Right.
It's over.
You can see your face, you're much more relaxed.
Oh yeah. I feel wonderful.
Yeah, no shaking. Even with these bright lights.
Even with bright lights, you know. Feel no trigger to do anything. Even my shoulders, they're soft, a lot softer, you know.
Yeah,
before
you can
they're
see
like,
it in your neck area.
Yeah, before like
tense.
bricks, you know.
Yeah.
I may get more wrinkles now.
That's
I don't have those tight muscles anymore. It's just amazing, and to be able to do stuff, to get back involved in more church, you know, activities like
The
nursery,
which I know
those kids aren't afraid of me, you know, now. And it's nice to go places not being stared at. I feel invisible. I can just walk in anywhere now.
Well, I know when you first started taking the oil, when you came back to church, people did double takes. They didn't recognize you.
Oh yeah, they were shocked, and I couldn't get over that they would be that. It surprised me how happy people were for me.
Right. Any side effects are you noticing from it?
No, not really.
Okay.
Except that one I told you about.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oil will loosen you up sometimes.
Yeah. That's pretty good. No drowsiness?
No.
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 Awesome. Any high that you get from it?
Nah.
No. It's not.
I'm not in it for that anyway.
Right. Yeah. It's important for people to know that. I think that's one of the biggest barriers that people have to
Yeah.
it, is they don't want to get that
Well, I
high.
noticed on that bottle, on that one that I got from you, it said less than 0.3%. I'm thinking, that's not anything.
Anything else you want to add about?
No,
The
I
before
just
and
want to help
after?
others. I just want to help others. Just, that's what we're here for. You know?
It's a
That's
long
why
time
I went
to
into
deal with
nursing.
this.
That's why you went into pharmaceuticals. You want to help others.
Right. That's why we're here.
That's it.